Okay, now that we got past some little ASMR sounds, I thought you guys deserved to hear them because it sounds so good to me. I'm gonna start off by painting both thumbnails this Barbie pale pink type of nail polish, and I'm using regular nail polish, no gel nail polishes. We want to keep this user friendly and accessible to everyone. Next two nails will be the ring finger, and I'm starting off with a top coat, applying a decent amount of that onto the nail, and then going on top of that with a light coat of that same Barbie pink nail polish. This will give that jelly see-through type of effect. You can mix a little bit of the nail polish into the top coat on a different type of palette, but I didn't have something like that, so I did it on a nail and it still came out just as good, but it would be better mixed together on something else and then applied to the nail. Next two nails will be the pinky nails, and we are using a hot pink nail polish. Different from the other pale pink, this is hot pink. For the two middle nails, we will be using a nude color. Now you want the lightest nude color that you can find, but make it a little bit more beige, preferably beige, but you can always use a pale pink. Going in with the two pointer fingernails, and we are mixing together once again a white, and this is a plain white, and a red, and this is a plain red. And this is going to give a type of pink, kind of like a Barbie pink and a hot pink mixed together. Now we are moving on to the decorating, and I'm going to be starting off with these Bratz stickers and applying two of them on the pinky nail. Now one of them is going to go on one and then the other. These are long, so it is difficult to get it straight and flat on there, so you have to be careful not to let it kind of crinkle up, but it did kind of crinkle up a little bit, but it's okay. We're going to smooth it out to the best of our ability. Then I'm going to be taking this pinching tool and pinching a sponge, and I did cut the sponge into a square so that I can apply some of that red nail polish on that, but I am also going to apply a little bit of top coat to mix it in. You can apply it straight on without the top coat, but mixing in the top coat will again give that more jelly-like appearance, so it's not completely opaque and harsh. And then we're going to be taking the thumbnail and dabbing that on the center. I did have a hard time with this. I was trying new techniques, and again, I'm using regular nail polish, so I'm just going to have to find out what works, but we're going to blend it to the best of our ability. It did leave it a little bit patchy in the center, but I am going to apply a sticker, so I'm not worried about it now as if I would be if I was not applying a sticker. I decided to take some of that red nail polish and dab it around the nail that I applied that sticker on, just because it's kind of harsh. The sticker is squared off, a little bit more of a rectangle, but it does not fill up the nail, so sometimes you just need that extra oomph just to kind of seal it in so it doesn't look like it's just a sticker applied on there. So I am just dabbing some of that red around there for now. With a skinny brush, I'm going to be taking some of the white nail polish and that nude nail, and we're going to be doing a French tip. Taking some fine, not chunky glitter that does have a pinkish purple shift, and I'm going to be going on top of that pointer fingernail with the top coat just so the glitter sticks to it. And then we're going to be applying a little bit of that glitter a little at a time just so it's not like chunky in one section. And we're going to also be tapping it on with a brush, and once it's applied with the brush, then you can also smooth it out with your finger. And I just love like the shift of that glitter up against this background that we created with the white and red nail polish. It just looks so pretty. Some more Bratz nail stickers, and these have some hearts on them, and I love that. It also has the option of putting it on the right hand with one of them facing towards the right, and then the left hand with one of them facing towards the left. And this is the sticker that we are going to use where I dabbed that sponge with the red nail polish on the center. That's why I said it didn't really matter that it was a little patchy because we're going to be covering it up. And of course, like I mentioned, with the right hand, we're going to be facing it right. With the left hand, we're going to be facing it left. And then I also have another set of stickers that on the butterfly stickers, it does say love, and on the snake stickers, it does say amor. So we're going to be sticking love at the top and then amor at the bottom. And I just love how the black of the letters match with the, I guess, the black hair on the Bratz doll. Now these stickers look like a Bratz doll with the Powerpuff Girls colors. So I am going to be using the pinkish red one to apply that on to the pointer finger, and we're going to be using that one with also the stickers that come around it. So there's like a floral, so we're gonna apply one of the florals at the bottom and the other floral at the top. And the glitter background with this sticker, oh, stunning. Look at that. Now we're going to be using these pink charms, and I'm going to be taking a little small bow one that has a pink diamond in it, gluing that on one side of the pinky nail that has the sticker on it, and then the other side of the other hand, we're going to be flipping it. So it looks like a left hand and a right hand charm on each side. And then I also have these rhinestones that has champagne tone rhinestones on one side and holographic ones on the other side. We're going to be using the holographic ones and taking the smallest diamonds. They have about 6 different size diamonds, and we're going to be taking 2 of them and just popping those at the bottom of the same nail. Bringing out the same pink charms and popping out these spin charms. So with these spin charms, what you do is you glue one side to the nail and then you glue a charm to the other side. You can use rhinestone glue, but that would again insist on using a UV light, and we're going to keep this user friendly, so we're using craft glue, industrial glue, let's put it that way. I did go ahead and take the French nail, glue the pink bunny to the beige part, and then glue the spinner right up under there so it's closer to the white part of the nail. And then I'm going to glue a gem on top of that. Now we're going in with these pink charms, and there's about 250 of these little lips in there, and tell me that these are not like the perfect Bratz charm lips to glue on here. Taking the ring finger that has that more jelly consistency background, we're going to be gluing these lips on at an angle, starting with the white lips, pale pink, hot pink, and red. And again, they're right up under each other, but at an angle. And this is how the nails turned out all together. I love them. Oh my gosh, this is my best set that I've done thus far out of the other 2 that I've done for either the holiday or some sort of, oh no, they were just holidays. 10 out of 10, definitely would recommend all of these products I use, trying them out. And I did not have to even use, you know, like professional things like UV products and, you know, this and that and gel and dangerous things. You know, we kept it simple, but still the nails look, they kind of look professionally done, if I do say so myself. The one thing that I really love about these is they look like the adult version of Bratz nails, because you guys know, like, Bratz nails, the only ones you can find are the little kitty ones. Like, we adults still love Bratz. Like, I grew up on Bratz. My scene, like Powerpuff Girls, all of these, I want all of that on now. So now I can do this myself. What you guys seen me doing was struggling to get that sticky tap off the back of my nails. Just use your finger to rub it off. I went in with the tweezers, which was unnecessary. So what I'm going to do is, instead of using the nail sticky tabs to stick these nails on, because I want them to last at least all the way up until hopefully February 14th, I am going to use nail glue. And what I've learned with nail glue is that you do not need to apply it over the whole nail. Just apply a thick strip down the middle, starting from the cuticle, close to the cuticle part of your nail, all the way up to the tip, because it will smear out on the sides as you press it. You do not want to apply it all over the nail, because it will come out all over the nail. Then you'll have it all over your finger, and then it'll be all over the top of your nail, smudging. Yes, that's what has happened to me. And before I put my jewelry on to jazz up my nails, I just want to run through the nails right quick so you guys can see the detail. And again, I am obsessed with the bunny and the bow tie charm. And by the way, if you did not know, a little FAQ, a little factual facts about the Bratz, Bunny Boo is Sasha's pet rabbit. And I also have Sasha as my Tapestry, as you guys can see. So it just worked out perfect. Like, these nails scream Bratz, period. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Check out all the links down below, because I will have all of the links down to these products, including the recent video I just did on the haul on these products as well from Temu. I will pop up my coupon code on a screen that can save you some coin. And I will see you guys in my next video. Oh, and one last thing. If you guys do have any recommendations on any nail designs or any kind of characters you guys want to see on some nails, then just drop me a comment down below. It could be more Bratz nails or any of the stickers that you see me use in this video or even in my haul. Now, bye.